Hi everybody, Sam Ray from Sam Tech, and I'm going to be showing you how to install Zoom on a mobile. And I'll be using a Samsung phone. But before we continue, all the pins are on my own. I paid for my phone, hardware and stuff in my own funds. Zoom has never sponsored me for a video. I haven't given them any details or anything. I haven't even given them a dime or any quid. So everything's on my own. So let's continue and I'll be showing you how to do it. Alright, so I'm on my phone, so what you need to do is open the Samsung Galaxy Store. Now I'm in the Samsung Galaxy Store. What you need to do is, of course, close the ad and go to search. Now search up Zoom. Once you find Zoom, tap on it. Now install it. Now you can watch Zoom download. And install. Shouldn't take much longer. Alright, now it's installed so you can tap on it to open it, the notification. Now what I'm doing is finding the app icon and opening it that way. Now Zoom's open. Now what you want to do is, if you haven't got an account, sign up. But if you have a SSO account, a Google account or Facebook account, please use that when signing in. One of those. So I'll use my Google account. Now redirect me to my web browser. Would you like to select an account? Yep. I'd like to select my Google account. I've done my credentials, everything. It says, would you like to allow this page to open in Zoom? Yes, I would. Now it says connecting. Now I've installed Zoom and here, but what you will need to do on top. So now I need to do is find the Zoom icon, hold down on it, then I'm going to hit the info button, the little I. Now what you need to do is go to permissions and allow access to your device. As you can tell, I'm setting up the permissions. Older versions of Android or Samsung devices or newer versions may look different. Location, I'm going to turn off precise location. While using app, yep, fine. I'm not going to allow Bluetooth. Don't allow, I don't want that. Phone, yeah, access to that, I need that. Alright, so that's done. So, we've installed Zoom on the so I've installed it. Saw how I set it up, added the account and everything. So as you saw, it was pretty straightforward, easy. I gave them no details, and you saw it was easy. But anyway, I'm Sam. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and see ya.